Ladies, listen up. Do not chase the guys. Don't do it. You're wasting your time. It won't even stick. And you're going to put yourself through emotional trauma. So the best advice I'm going to give you is, instead of chasing, why don't you do this instead? In this video, I'm going to explain to you why you shouldn't really chase the masculine energy and what the feminine energies really need to get behind. Now, firstly, guys do not like to be chased, and if they do, it's only for a short period, because men are built to be hunters. They are the ones to chase and pursue the feminine or the ladies. If the feminine energies are doing all the work of chasing and pursuing, where does that leave the man? It's going to be hella confusing, right? Come on, like, I'm actively me, the lady, the woman, chasing the man. Where am I going to go chasing the man? Instead, ladies, what I want you to do is this. So I was out one evening with my friend and we were sitting on this table, and there was a bunch of girls on a table and there were a couple of guys at the bar, and I didn't realize till after that these group of girls were seeking validation and attention from this one guy at the bar. Now, don't get me wrong, the guy was pretty good looking, but when you're in your own energy and you're just really enjoying yourself and you don't really seek the validation from anyone else, you just have a whole different energy about you, a whole different glow. As I was talking and engaging with my friend, I was in my energy, I was chatting, I was laughing, and a couple of minutes later, the guy that those girls were really eyeing up and really seeking that validation from, he comes over to our table and he's like, "Hi girls, how you doing?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm good." And he said, looking at me directly, eye contact, "I just want to say, you're so beautiful." I was like, "Oh, thank you so much." And then he offered to buy us a drink. Of course, you gotta watch your drink, girls. But we had our drink. But there was something that you guys should all take away from this, particularly you ladies. When you are in your vortex energy, when you are in your own energy, when you don't seek the validation from any man or anything external around you, you have a whole different glow about you. And you know what that glow is called? Confidence. Not desperation, not neediness, not wanting, confidence. See, I ain't not desperate. Why? Because I address my inner state. I address my triggers. I know deep inside of me that is no one external that's going to feed this internal. I know that this internal, when it's really pushed out and it's amplified, it becomes a form of attraction. That's how spiritually smart I am. Another point to recognize is, what's the story that you're telling yourself? If you're seeking validation from a guy and you're seeking it where you're chasing him for that validation, what does that say about you? What is your internal state radiating out? Why are you so desperate? Where are these triggers coming from? Why are you chasing? Why? What's the story that you told yourself? Oh, you know what? I should have a boyfriend by now. Oh my God, like, I need a boyfriend because all my friends have a boyfriend. Oh my God, like, I need that validation that I'm just so pretty. I am so beautiful. No, that just reeks off desperation. And that's one thing men cannot stand. So ladies, think about this, right? You've chased the man's entertained it, the man got bored, hasn't really stuck, and he's like, okay, on to the next. What are you doing to your emotional trauma? Why are you building such baggage in your energy field? Why? And you know what? I have seen it countless number of times. The same lessons the woman does over and over and over again, but with different men, because they don't look in the internal. They don't actually look and think, right, what the heck am I doing to produce the same results over and over again? And if you're chasing the man, that's one mistake that you are really, really making. This is what I want you to do. So grab a pen and paper, hit that thumbs button, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys. Ladies, everything you attract is a reflection of you. So if you are desperate and needy, because of course you have to be if you are chasing and pursuing the man himself is going to be so damn laid back. He's going to be so relaxed. He's not going to put any efforts in date. He's not going to put any effort in communication. Why does he need to do the work? You've done all the work. You've chased and pursued him. All he's going to do is sit back and literally enjoy the ride. And then he's going to get bored. So you need to address, why are you desperate? Why are you needy? Where is this coming from? Where are the triggers from? What is your mind saying about men? What is your mind saying about you? How do you feel about yourself? Are you beautiful? I am beautiful. I am confident. I am pretty. I am gorgeous. Because a woman that's so engrossed within herself, in the I am affirmations, she is a powerful force. She seeks no validations because she knows I am beautiful. I am irresistible. I am loved. I am gorgeous. Oh my God, like I am. So I did a video on my channel. It's called Robotic Affirming. Head over, watch it. And what I say in that video is you can affirm all you want, but if your base foundation is full of crap, then guess what? It's just gonna fall apart. So when I talk about your base foundation being crap, I'm talking about the triggers. If you've got daddy issues, if you feel that men have let you down, if you've had past relationships that have not gone well, if you have not addressed those triggers, guess what? Carrying it in to your next potential relationship. And it's the same pattern over and over again. I mean, who's got time for patterns? I don't have time for patterns. I clearly ain't got time to waste. Now your body, when you're affirming and you're really getting behind it, your body's gonna move a certain way. Just like mine did at the bar. When I got up, I went to the restroom, I came back. I wasn't walking to the restroom and trying to desperately catch a glimpse of the guy. No, I walked into the restroom, I came out the restroom. I sat down, my posture was good. I'm quite well built. I'm in good shape. I feel good. Like I was so empowered. And lastly, my vibration. My vibration is so high. It's at 997 hertz. How do I know that? Well, I got behind the energy work that I've done, which you'll find more information about it on my website. Everything about me as a package, it glows. Now, you will see a video that I did, right? But before you go to that video about how your energy works, you can see a picture of my massive energy glowing. Everyone has that massive energy, but not everyone's is glowing. Why? Because they're not putting the work within themselves. So this was the massive energy that the guy was really attracted to. That is what he saw. That's what pulled him towards me. Just that. It's as simple as that, guys. So when you're ready to learn more, head over to my website, check me out, drop us an email of your inquiry, and just remember, the biggest investment that you can make is within you.